Hey guys, if you're looking for a dual arm standing dual arm monitor for your gaming setup or office, let me introduce you to the EG Gear standing from Temu with a 360 rotation. Alright guys, so the first thing that I want to say about the dual arms is that they're well packaged. So that to me was a plus whenever I was unboxing the box itself. The fact that it was neatly and organizedly stacked was a big plus. Genuinely think the fact that it's coming from Temu doesn't devalue the fact that the packaging of this Temu stuff often comes well wrapped, well protected. One of the things that I liked about dual arms is that they're not very heavy. They're quite movable, as you can see, with the least amount of force. You barely can just touch them and they move so easily. Anybody can just rotate them, move them fast. I really, really like that. For the price that you're getting of $24.56, I believe that's what I bought mine for, and after taxes is $30. You can beat the price. I mean, not only they're well built, but they're also well designed. I've seen some of this exact pricing in Amazon for like $100. I mean, that's what Temu says they're selling for, but I don't know what kind of discounts they have, but majority of it's well built, gives you well dynamic between the two arms so that you can have them at separate angles. One of the things that I really liked about it was just putting it together. It was very simple. It was very easy. It's almost like Legos. You just pop one, and everything comes together. Taking the mounting bracket so that you can hook it up to your monitor are super easy. All you got to do is pretty much untighten them and then tighten them back down. The screwing between them keeps it solid. The section where you can detach bottom layer of the arm, you can run your wires through that. That's a cool little protection for your wires so they don't get scratched up or tangled up. And it goes all the way to the barrel, and it hooks up directly under your monitor. Fortunately for me, I'm trying to get it to where it works with my adjustable table. I'm trying to get longer cords so that I can actually do that from my desktop to my PC. What I like about it is how much room it has given me on my computer. I have my keyboard, controller, light, microphone, my notes, my laptop, a whole monitor, more room for activities. Another thing that I like about the arms is they're sturdy. So their mechanisms are smooth to move. They're also very sturdy. And the fact that they're working with gravity going down, they're not flimsy. They move smoothly. One cool feature that I saw on their page was that you could have this set up as a dual computer. One arm could be facing you, the other one could be facing the other person, and this allows it for different computers, or either two different people can be watching the same, just an office kind of job. If you like review videos and unboxing of affordable gadgets and gears, and do give my other videos a try, and if anything that I said here made you want to go look at this particular arms, I will link it down below. Do give us a like and subscribe. It helps move the algorithm. To finish off, I really like the design of the arms, how they're flexible. I love the fact that you can do a 360 from the main bracket that's holding the monitor. Love the fact that if you wanted to just have a flat monitor for whatever reason, look it up, you can. The fact that I can just push the monitor out and in. Most importantly, what I like from this dual arm set is that you can't beat the price in $24 for something well built. Guys, if you like this video, do give us a like or subscribe. Comment down below something that I should review.